Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Porsche Panamera. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 8-speed double-clutch transmission. This Porsche has less than 77,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.